ومحمد وآل محمد صلوات صل على محمد وآل. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My elders, brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I want to start this by sending my heartiest Kushali Mubarak to everybody, all the Shia Muslims around the world. It's that time of the year, and you won't believe this year we can all agree that it's been a challenging time for all of us. I think Maulana Sheikh Ali Raza Bujani mentioned in his Fajr lecture today that we can take this as an opportunity. Although it's been very difficult, there's people who've literally worked really hard throughout the last 12 months. And as a community, we have to appreciate that and understand all the efforts that they've put together. Now, if you think about 12 months ago where we were from a pandemic perspective, right, the idea that we had in our brain was totally different to how it's planned out. And we've taken this as a community as an opportunity, and I think all of us together have excelled, okay, from the digital platform in terms of doing online programs, doing the community support networks, the drive-thrus, the iftar services, and all sorts, right? And it's commendable. So based on that, I would just want to talk about the Annual Excellence Award. Now, we started that last year, and it's important that we continue to do that going forward as well. So number one, our first Excellence Award. Now, everybody's worked really hard, but our first family has worked exceptionally well. Now, what I mean by that is that we've had drive-through services, we've supported the elderly, the seniors, the key workers of vulnerable people, and as this family has worked tirelessly to ensure that we get the food cooked, right? Now, even if you think about it, in the last 3 months, they've been, Wasi by himself has not been in the country due to his, his mother not feeling well, but the Sister Zishan has worked tirelessly throughout that period as well. I just want to start by saying, let's play a Surah Fatiha for Wasi's mother, who recently passed away. So on that note, Zishan Fatima Dosani and family, can I ask Sister Farah to present the token of gesture from the community? Salawat. Let's recite loud, another loud salawat, please. Muhammad. Okay, I'm hoping that present's been given to her now. Okay, with the second one. So the second one, again, these, we can't, it's really interesting, and the awareness of the amount of effort that people put in. You only know until you're part of the system, right? Until you actually start working in the system. And one of the things that's been a highlight for us over the last 12 months is the services that people do that we think are relatively straightforward. So this one, again, it's a family that's been working over the last, as far as I know, been running this service, all right, for the community. And over the last 12 months, I've been very close to that as well, because we've been working together, and you realize actually how much effort has been put in. Now, this family, especially one person out of the family, because of the COVID, the Bashir uncle, right? Bashir uncle wasn't able to be part of the service because of the, COVID, and to keep that, being shielding at the moment. I'm mumbling at the moment. Sorry, Arif. So, I've worked really close with Arif over the last 12 months, and the effort that they put in is exceptional. The stuff that you need to do. For example, one of the challenges that they faced recently was to go to Northampton to collect a marhum. So with that ado, Arif, really appreciate your hard work, and, for the whole family, really appreciate. Salawat. Salawat. I'll hug you now, but we have to keep that social distance for now. But I tell you what, if somebody can take a picture, Arif, come and stand here. With the distance, if we can just take a picture as well. Appreciate that. Allahumma salli ala. Thank you, Jibril. Okay, so we've actually got because Bashir Uncle weren't able to attend because he's shielding, of course. I'm speaking better now. If we can get the AV team to run the video, please. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Maulana Sahib, મારા વડીલો, ભાઈઓ, બહેનો, કમિટીના મેમ્બરો, આશા રાખું છું કે આપ બધા સહી સલામત હશો. કોરોના વાયરસના હિસાબે થઈને આપણી મુલાકાત અટલાના હાથમાં છે ભાઈ. હવે એને જેમ ચાહે એમ કરી શકે છે. પણ ઘણું દુઃખ થાય છે કે લગભગ કરીબન વરસ થઈ ગયો આપણી મુલાકાતો થઈ નથી. ઇન્શાલ્લાહ દુઆ કરીએ કે આ બીમારી જલ્દમાં જલ્દ જતી રહે અને આપણી પાછા હતા તેવા હસતા કૂદતા રમતા મસ્જિદની અંદર બધા પાછા ભેગા થઈએ. ભાઈઓ, અમે જે કાંઈ કરી રહ્યા છે યા તો જેટલી કમિટીઓ છે જે કાંઈ કરી રહી છે તે કોગને ખુશ કરવા માટે નથી કરી રહી, એ અલ્લાહને ખુશદુની માટે કરી રહ્યા છે. એટલે અમે જે કાંઈ કરી રહ્યા છીએ બસ એટલી દુઆ કરીએ કે તમારી દુઆથી અલ્લાહ અમારે આખિરતમાં સારો દરજ્જો આપે. અને બીજું ભાઈઓ, આપણી જે કમિટી અત્યારે જે કાંઈ કરી રહી છે તેનો અજર અલ્લાહ લોકોને જરૂરથી આપે. માશાઅલ્લાહ ઘણું સારું કામ કરી રહી છે. હવે આજે તમે લોકો બધાએ ભેગા થઈ ગયા છે ત્યારે અમારા જેવા અમુકની જે તબિયતો બરાબર નથી તે વિચારે નથી આવી શકતા મસ્જિદમાં. તો અલ્લાહ આપણો રસ્તો ખોલી દે. વાલેકુમ સલામ વરહમતુલ્લાહિ વબરકાતુહુ.
Salli ala Muhammadin wa ala Muhammad. Look, everyone's really done a good job, right? Including the community itself in terms of social distancing. You know, it's a teamwork effort, and you know, we just pray. Yeah, let's recite a massive salawat. But before that, we do pray that things do get better in 2021, and Allah relieves us from this difficulty. Salawat. Okay, the next section, I'm going to get Brother Shani Abbas Rajani to come and cover some on the modernization upgrade.